Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. Today is Friday, it's May 12th in the year 2023, and today I'm going to do the video for wrapping up this week a little bit early so that I can show you how I go through my account at the end of the week and prepare the account for the end of the week, for the weekend. So on this account, this is the same one that I've been trading since January that I do the weekly wrap-ups on, but you can see that we still have a pretty long chain of trades that are open. If you remember right, last week we pretty much ended the week with most of the trades that are still here right now. Okay, now our negative PL has not changed much off of last week either, but when we go to the account history and I do the custom period and go back to Sunday when this week started and click OK, what we see is that, we had quite a few trades. When we sort them by the exit time, we can see what happened. We had lots of hedges and quick fixers that the EA made. We had some original trades that went in and out, and more hedges and quick fixers. A lot of these are repeats where we're getting the same trade over and over again, right? And then there were some manual trades. But anyway, so far this week, and I can't imagine that I'll close anything else before the market closes in 30 minutes from now, 20 minutes from now. But our weekly total profit this week was $2,464.43. Okay, so that's not a bad week. I would have been happier if we would have been able to actually resolve more of these situations, right? But you got to deal with how the market moves. Now you can see that I have a lot of manual trade orders in here, that what I always do at the end of the week is I go in and I close all of the orders that I have sitting out there, because on the weekend when the spread widens, if it would be a situation where one of those orders might pick up, you never want to pick up trades when the spread's real wide, because it makes it too difficult to get out of that, trade situation. So that's the first thing I usually do when I'm getting ready to end the week. Now you can also see that I have put some profit targets and stop losses on some of these manual hedge and quick fix levels that I have. But the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of those too, because I don't want any of these trades to close when the spread is really wide. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and delete where I have the stop losses on the hedges and the profit targets on the quick fixers. So I've got another one here. I'm going to take it off too. When you're going into the weekend, the best thing to do is to leave all of your situations. Here's another one. I'll take it out too. Where your trades can't accidentally close on you, on the weekend. So what I'm going to do is go to the top. I'm going to scroll my eye down the two columns for the stop loss and the profit target, and make sure that I have all of those out going into the weekend, and I do. And I have also closed all of the orders that I had going on. Okay, so now I have my account set up for the end of the week. Now the only other thing that I may or may not do is sometimes when I have a quick fixer situation that's positive at the end of the week, but not positive enough that I would want to close the hedge as well, Sometimes what I'll do at the end of the week is I will close a quick fixer, leaving the chain of trades in a hedged situation. And then come next week, I'll just add a new quick fixer, or if the price moves in the right direction, I might be able to just close the hedge for a smaller loss than what I took off of the quick fixer today. Okay, now I think today I'm probably just going to leave this alone and let both of those two trades roll through the weekend. Okay, now the thing is, one of the reasons why I take off those quick fixers is because on the weekend with my broker we have triple roll fee on Friday night. So at 4 o'clock, the roll fee, which is the swap fee, will accrue 3 days worth of swap fee, right? And on this pair, the swap fee is kind of pricey a little bit. So that would be the reason why I would go ahead and pull that trade off before the end of the week, and then put another one on next week. Okay, but I think for today I'm just probably going to leave that alone. So anyway, we've got 15 more minutes here of this trading week. So we'll just go over to the history, and I'll just do my data pulling that I do at the end of the week. As you know, for the last several months, I've been keeping track of the trades that have gone in and out in the situations. So on my Excel spreadsheet here, the first thing I'll do is type in the dates of this week, and that was May 7th. So I'll type in May 7th here. Whoops, May 7th, 2. And then I'm going to put tomorrow's date, actually May 13th, and that will collect all of the data for this week. Now, in this column, what I put in is the booked profit for the week. So when I scroll to the bottom of our account history, remember I've already made it just this week, we can see that it's $2,464.43. So we'll just type that in right here. So I'll type in $2,464.43. Okay, now the thing is, as you remember, I always judge the profit for the week against the initial deposit that I made into the account, not the current total on the account, right? Now, I started with this account with $10,000 in January, right? So 2,464 is 24% profit, okay? So that's 24% profit for this week, and actually it's 24.6, but who cares about the the leftover. Okay, the next thing I do is I count how many closed positions we had throughout the week. So to do that, what I do is I first sort by comment, okay? And that puts all of the hedge trades together and all the original trades together and stuff like that. Makes it easier to count. Now, the total closed positions is all of the closed positions that have a monetary value associated with them. You know, these canceled trades where there is no financial data as far as a profit, right? I don't count canceled trades, okay? So I'll go through here and count all of the trades that closed with some kind of profit and or loss associated to them. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So we had 13 hedge trades, and then here we go into manual trades. 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22. Now we have our original trades. 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we're on our quick fixers. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, and 43. Okay, so we had 43 closed positions this week. Now, what I want to find out next is how many original trades we had. So I'm going to look at the original trades, which is here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we had 7 original trades, but what I was looking at while I was looking at the original trades is I was looking at the entry dates. Okay, so what happened here is 5 of the trades this week went in on the 10th, and that was Wednesday, and 2 of them went in yesterday, which was Thursday. So on Monday and Tuesday we had no new original trades, and today we had no new original trades. But we'll count them again just to make sure I got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write 7. Okay. But now I also want to know how many older trades I still have that are original trades. Okay. So now I go back to the trade tab, sort by comment, look for original trades. I'm sorry, we need to be in the trade tab. I thought I clicked that over. And sort by comment. And here's some original trades. This one went in on 428, 428, 52, and 52. So we still have the same 4 original trades that we had before. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 open. So there's 4 original trades that are still open in the account. Okay, then we're going to go back here, go back over to the account history, and now what I want to know for my spreadsheet data is how many manual trades did I make this week. So we'll come back over here, and we're in the account history, we're sorted by comment. So the manual trades that I made this week are all right here together, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, I'm sorry, I went too far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 manual trades that I did this week. So I'm going to put that right there, and then I'm going to save our data for next week, and we're done with that. Okay, but anyway, that's what I do at the end of the week. I thought you might like to actually see me do it, so that you can see how I do it, what data I'm pulling off, and stuff like that. And so anyway, it was a pretty slow week this week. We didn't have any news events on Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, and then today again was a typical slow Friday. But if you are interested in the Magic EA and how to make money when all you have in your account is bad trades, which is what I have right now, right? And I'm still making 20% a week, right? If you want to learn how to do that, I teach you how to do it. But you would start by going to my website, mindyyost.com. Here's my email address right up at the top. If you want to contact me, I try to answer every email that I get. And you can read more about the Magic EA and how it works. Now, anybody who is seriously interested in using the Magic EA, I highly, highly recommend that you start by buying a 1-month demo trial of the Magic EA so that you can kind of get a feel for how it works. and start learning how to make the manual intervention trades that are necessary from time to time, right? But I teach you that. And that way you'll know for sure that this is something that you want to do before you put it on a live account. Okay? I tell everyone who asks, what should I do? I want to use the Magic EA. And I tell everybody the same thing. Start off with the demo trial. Use that for a month. Okay? Get used to the Magic EA and how it works. And then go over to trading a live account. Okay? So anyway, that's really all I have for you for today. Happy trading, everybody, and I'll talk to you again next Friday. Bye for now.